lift door, but because the interior has been modernised. To ride this lift, you have to have one of these. And I'm staying in the hotel, so I'll load this up and down a couple of times. On this door, you also safety check it, I'm going to demonstrate. Put in and pull out. When they fit, this one won't be able to be, and this was accessible, but for the ground floor now, back the car. If I hold this down, if I press it, it looks like it's going to be latched, right? It's not latched. When you press it, it won't activate the fourth floor. The interior has been modernised, but the doors are still original, so we go down one. You're holding the door closed. No, I'll show you the other lift, it was actually boring, but I will show you this one. This one's more a bit of an interesting lift. Send it up with the doors, the door will stay open, so I'll send it up so you can see the door closing. I didn't put the flashlight up, but I've got the flashlight to see. There's nothing here, stop. I'll show you the motor room. There's another lift from the hotel, it's not far from that one. There might be this lift door at the same time. Behind that door is the linen lift. It's on the ground floor, so if you're going up far on this way, and I'll show you the one I'll get from the 6th floor. Sorry, where the motor room is. This one goes up an additional 4. This one goes up to level 6, and additional 4 is the basement as well, but you can't access the basement with this car. So it's still locked off. Put it to my floor. There's the mode room. This is an all staff area. This goes to room 601, 621. And one thing I'll show you. The old lift is more interesting. Well, it's all closed and all very light. And the this needs to have a handle here. It used to be as well, and that's on down. Makes it to the lift delved into the shaft. Here's a quick lift tour of the Grand Southern Hotel lifts. There's the new one.